Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For people who are new, I am Deepika and this is my channel. I run all my social handles with the name My Thinking Window. If you're coming from my Instagram page, thank you so much. So, as the title suggests, we're going to discuss and talk about 4 habits that will make you a better person. I'm going to ask a few questions. Do you have habits? Do you know what are your good and bad habits? Do you ever sit and think about how many good habits actually help you to become a better person? And are you aware of your bad habits? And do you try to do something about them and eradicate them from your life? If you are working towards your bad habits and also trying to inculcate good ones, let me know in the comment section what is the new habit that you've inculcated for a betterment, and also let me know one of your bad habits that you want to remove from your life. Okay, you must be wondering, if you're supposed to comment down, then where am I supposed to talk about my good and bad habits? So I will speak to you right now. One of the good qualities or habits that I have in me and that helps me become a better person is the way I listen to people. I listen to myself, right? Whenever there's distress, whenever there's confusion, I sit down with myself with all my heart and brain, and every matter, every aspect is covered and I listen. So that is one of the good habits that actually makes me a better person every time, because if you're listening to yourself, you're educating yourself because you're aware of your problems. That makes you a better person. So now coming to bad habit, of course I have my bad habit and it's interrelated to my good habit. Okay, so I think a lot. I pressurize myself because I overthink, and however I'm working on it, right? I told you, if you are having negative or bad habits, it's no shame. We all have those habits, and however, if you're trying to move out from it is what matters. So how do I try to reduce my overthinking? You can check out my video on my channel. It's my latest upload and it talks about how to calm yourself 101. That is how I actually relax my mind. I give myself that freedom to get away from overthinking and try to get to conclusion of what is exactly bothering me and how should I move forward with that. Alright, so now that I have talked about my good and bad habits, one of them, let's talk about today's discussion on habits, and 4 habits I'm going to list that will be very helpful for you to become a better person. So number 1 is to be grateful for at least one thing in your day. Okay, so at the end of the day, or if you are working towards the end of the day, make sure you take the whole download towards the next morning. Okay, so whenever you get up, you have that gratefulness from yesterday, so that will help you boost your morning for tomorrow. So any time of the day, just sit down and think about one thing that you're grateful for. There can be many things. There can be a list of things that you're grateful for in a day. I think given the situations around, given the 2 years we've been in lockdown, out and in, it's very important for us to figure out what little things can do, what little gestures can do. So being grateful for the little things. Obviously there are better, bigger things in life, but when you start appreciating the little things in life, your life eventually becomes very peaceful, very positive around you. You become a very positive and a better person. So the bigger things can be a promotion, or you got a car, you bought a house, you rented a house or something like that. But smaller things can be you passed a test, you aced a test, or you got up at 6 a.m. in the morning without an alarm, or you actually met a friend. Just be grateful for that. Little things will actually help you boost your day, that you actually did something and you have something good to look back to. So here comes the second habit that you need to inculcate in life, and that will actually help you become a better person. Do deep breathing exercises. I'm not even kidding. So whenever you're stressed, whenever you have an event and you're very nervous about it, just take 2 minutes off and 1 minute just to calm yourself down with this positive feeling that I can do it, I will do it, and there's nothing that's stopping me from that. That is for 1 minute, but the next 2 minutes what you're supposed to do is just take a deep breath in and out. This will really calm yourself. There will come situations where you're losing your mind and you want to be angry and mad at someone, but giving yourself that 1 minute to calm yourself, just take a deep breath, relax, and then this will actually help you to respond instead of reacting. So having this habit of deep breathing, relaxing your mind before you enter an event or just bombard your madness on someone, this will actually help you relax and become a better person. Now that we're done with first and second habit, let's move on to the third one. Third one is basically giving that time to yourself and doing something for yourself. So practice self-care very regularly. If you follow me on my Instagram, you know I am a huge advocate for practicing self-care religiously and rigorously. It's not just physical, it's both physical and mental health. You need to understand that your mental health and physical health is very important in driving your life. The personal care package can range from taking a warm bath on a weekend or a day off, or it can be just ordering the food that you actually are craving for. It's not every day that you need to miss out on nutrients and eat junk food, but then when you're feeling that you've really done amazing for past few days, when you're working, that you've given your 100% and you're very tired, relax yourself, calm yourself down, watch a good movie, feel good movies, and give that time to yourself to mentally relax, to physically feel well rested and be ready for next day. Talking about feel good movies, I have a list of feel good movies that you can watch to relax yourself. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a video out of it, and in the future I can release it for you. Moving on to the fourth, last one, but not the least one, but yet my favorite one. Be kind to people and yourself. Don't you feel good when someone compliments you? Don't you feel good for the whole day when someone appreciates you for your accomplishment? Study shows that happy people do more kinder things, be more kind to themselves and people around them. So if you practice my habit number 2, that is deep breathing, to relax your mind, to calm yourself, and my habit number 3, that is to practice self-care, both mental and physical, you will tend to become a better person, and those 2 habits will help you drive the fourth habit, that is to be kinder to yourself and people around you. Also, when you start doing something for others, you will have a sense of contentment in yourself that will actually drive you to become more and more of that person. When you start being a good person, when you start becoming a person who is self-driven, you will be more of it. I totally urge you to start off with these habits. These are not only 4 habits you need to have, but these are 4 habits I want you to practice daily to become something more better, more greater than what you are today. It can be your work related, it can be your personal life. There's so much going on and you may not be speaking about it out loud, but you know how much you're going through. So if you're trying to still become better than who you are today and inculcate these 4 habits, your future self is going to be super proud of you. I'm very proud of you if you're starting it today itself. And that is all from me. I hope this video helps you, motivates you, or drives you in certain way that you eventually become a better, best person. And that is it. If you believe my videos create value, make sure to like and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.